Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add transitions to your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in the Cut tab in the bottom of the program, and you have this button transitions that you can use to add transitions. As you can see, I have added this video. It is a completely solid video of two horses running, and let me just splice it a bit so that there is somewhere to make a transition to make it more apparent. For example, let's say from this point when the horse starts turning all the way up to this point when the horse has already turned, and I'll just delete the middle part right here, and let me just connect these two like so. And if I go into transitions, as you can see, you have a couple of different transitions. You have the blur dissolve, you have the additive dissolve, etc., etc. You have the non-additive dissolve, and you can use whichever you want. For example, I'll use additive dissolve. All you have to do is drag it over here and drag it over the middle right near the transition point from one video to another. Now that you've done that, and if I go ahead and restart the video and play it from the beginning, as you can see, once I get to that point, it'll just transition into the other part. And that is pretty much it. Now you can play around with this a bit more. What you can do also is go into the edit tab and you can go under effects and also search for video transitions there. Pretty much the same, just drag it across the middle, play it, and as you can see, it transitions beautifully. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.